Parents, imagine your child creating their own games, designing websites, or exploring artificial intelligence, all while building essential skills for the future. At First Coding Path, we don't just teach coding, we empower kids to think critically, solve problems, and unleash their creativity. Coding isn't just a tech skill, it's the foundation for tomorrow's success. Our program is uniquely structured into 6 progressive levels called hats: white, yellow, green, blue, red, and purple. Each 6-week level combines hands-on projects, engaging lessons, and personalized feedback to help your child master each step. With Scratch, they'll create animations and stories. Through Python, they'll learn real-world programming used in game development, AI, and data analysis. And with web development, they'll design their very own websites. Led by our founder, with over a decade of experience in programming and data science, First Coding Path offers expert guidance in a fun and supportive environment. Give your child the tools to thrive in a digital world. Enroll today at First Coding Path and start their journey to becoming confident, creative innovators.